the branches of an ancient oak lived a little bird named Pip. Pip was small, even for a fledgling, and often struggled to find enough food. One particularly harsh winter, the berries and insects were scarce. Pip was weak and hungry, his tiny chirps filled with despair. Below, the old oak tree stood strong, its leaves mostly fallen, revealing gnarled branches and a trunk thick with age. The tree had weathered countless winters, its roots deep in the earth, providing shelter to countless creatures. One day, shivering in near collapse, Pip spotted a small, plump acorn clinging to a branch, miraculously untouched by the cold. It was a perfect acorn, large and full of potential. Pip knew he couldn't reach it. His little wings were too weak, his tiny claws too small to grip the branch. He chirped sadly, his voice barely a whisper. The oak tree, sensing the bird's distress, creaked slightly. A low rumble, felt more than heard, vibrated through its trunk. A nearby branch, heavy with age, swayed gently, bringing the acorn within reach of Pip. Pip, surprised and delighted, pecked at the acorn, his tiny beak working hard to break the tough shell. The sweet meat inside gave him the strength he desperately needed. He ate slowly, savoring every morsel. As he ate, he realized the branch had moved on purpose. The old oak had helped him. He felt a surge of warmth, not just from the acorn, but from the act of kindness. As the winter eased and spring arrived, Pip watched as the oak tree began to bud, tiny green leaves unfurling in the gentle breeze. Pip, now stronger and healthier, flew to the highest branch, collecting small twigs and bits of moss. He began to carefully weave a nest, a cozy home for himself and a future family. He worked diligently, his cheerful chirps echoing through the branches. He knew the oak tree needed help too, its old branches needing support. He carefully placed the nest amongst the branches, providing a small but significant contribution to the tree's health and stability. That spring, the oak tree flourished, its branches strong and full of life. Pip's nest was safe and secure, a testament to their mutual cooperation. The little bird and the old tree, both had given and both had received, proving that even the smallest act of kindness can create the strongest bonds and bring about the greatest growth.